Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma. Today we have another funny English story.
My robot took my shopping list too seriously. Have you ever asked someone for help, but they understood everything the wrong way? Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Let's begin.
Last year, I bought a robot. His name was Robo. Robo was small, friendly, very intelligent.
Good morning, Alex. How can I help today? Robo cleaned my apartment, watered my plants, helped me every day.
Whoa.
Oh no!
There is almost no food. I need groceries.
I can help.
There was no milk, no bread, no fruit. The refrigerator was almost empty. Why not ask Robo to go shopping?
Good morning, Alex. How can I help you today?
Robo, please buy these groceries.
I understand perfectly.
Have a good day, Robo.
The list said milk, bread, eggs, apples, bananas, rice.
I felt very happy. This was going to save me a lot of time. What was that? Then I heard a loud sound outside. I looked through the window. There were two delivery workers. They were carrying many large boxes. I went downstairs to see what was happening. Hello, are you Alex? Yes, that's me. Wonderful! Your order has arrived. My order? Then I looked behind the truck. I couldn't believe my eyes. Bananas. Bananas. There were bananas everywhere.
Mission successful, Alex.
Robo,
Why are there so many bananas?
yes, but not this many.
I purchased 100 bananas.
$100?
The shopping list did not specify the quantity.
Oh no. What have I done? Good afternoon. We have your rice delivery. Rice? How much rice? $20 bags. 20 bags of rice. I wanted 1 bag, not 20!
But the surprise was not over yet. The shopping list said rice. Then more deliveries arrived.
My apartment looked like a supermarket.
Alex, are you opening a supermarket?
No, my robot misunderstood my shopping list.
Soon, more neighbors came outside.
Everyone wanted to see the famous robot.
Wow, he's so cool.
Why don't we share the food with everyone?
That's a wonderful idea. The next morning, everyone worked together.
Families happily took food home. Even the local newspaper wrote about the story. Families happily took food home.
I helped the community. Yes, in a very unusual way.
How many bananas next time?
Exactly 6.
Perfect! You did it!
Grocery, a store that sells food and household supplies. I need to go to the grocery store to buy milk. Quantity, an amount or number of something. The recipe calls for a large quantity of sugar. Great job!
Now answer today's listening question. How many bananas did Robo buy? Write your answer in the comments. Now, let's learn some new English words.
Grocery means food and things you buy from a supermarket.
That was a very funny story. Did you enjoy it? Our first word is grocery.
Let's say it together. Grocery.
Grocery, grocery. See you next time!